Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto. So if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to link your CLI VestNode for using Mintair nodes deployment. So let's go to the Mintair website so that we will copy our private key and come and mint it and link it with our CLI VestNode in the LayerEdge website. So let's go together. So basically our website for the LayerEdge is used to be like overloaded due to the too many like high crowds that have been like visited the website because they wanna like link their CLI VestNode for like the using Mintair, using the CLI, using the LayerEdge website. So here is the interface of Mintair. So as we can see, so all you need to do is to authorize so that you have access to use the website. So let's click on authorize so that it will be able for me to like use the Mintair website. So let's wait for it to be complete and fully loaded. So let's click on connect wallet again. After then the authorization, we have to click on this browser wallet which is already installed in my Bitget wallet. So here is a Bitget Web3 wallet that I'm using, but I have been using my EVM wallet address, like my MetaMask EVM wallet address in this Bitget Web3 wallet, because like this make the Web3 wallet, Bitget Web3 wallet, like very easy and very fast for use transaction. It will be like fast traders. So let's go together so that we should copy our private key for the LayerEdge node. So when you enter this section, so you have to come this section active node. So let's click on it. So this active node, you have to come and click this section, which is like this icon similar to setting. So let's click on it. So when we click on this icon, so here is the private public key that we need to copy. So we have to copy it so that we should go to our LayerEdge testnet website so that we should link our LayerEdge VestNode. So let's go together. So let's go to our LayerEdge website. So here is our shortcut for LayerEdge. So let's click on it. So we have to wait for it to be fully accessible. So because we don't want to like any kind of error in this video. So as you can see, we have like 1.95 million for the browser VestNode point. So we have to come this section, which is like this CLI VestNode, and then again we have to accept this like section for CLI VestNode. You have like another option, which is you have to come this section. So which you have to come for the tax to like do it together. Like we have a 10,000 point reward that they are going to give us sports like when we verify our CLI VestNode. So here it is. So all you need to do is to come and just click on this plus icon. So let's click on it. So we have to link our CLI VestNode. So I need to authorize it. So as you can see, like we have something like similar to error. So I don't know what happening with this CLI VestNode, but definitely here is the process. So when you follow this prompt, so definitely you are not going to like miss any step. So definitely you have to make it successful. So the problem is from them, because like we made it like as the same procedure as the like the Higados, like using the medium. So here is how you are going to link your CLI VestNode. So here it is. If this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.